Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sulphur, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers are here for you whether you're moving interstate or interstate. We compromise professional working relationships with local or long-distance federal authorities responsible for the relocation processes. Therefore, we have licenses to make long-distance moves with no hassle. Additionally, we offer insurance plans for your belongings to give you peace of mind. We cover any risk that may arise during the transportation process, and our movers are experts in providing peaceful moving experiences. Our drivers plan and organize your move at your convenience. You can also rely on us for the safety and security of your stuff. Local moves are usually less expensive and complicated as compared to long-distance moves, and you might think you can do it yourself, but your belongings still need to be packed in different sized boxes, and the lifting is dangerous for you to do it alone. Therefore, hire 3 Movers to make your local move easier. We offer low prices to make your local move affordable. Our hourly charges are reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. We can complete your local move in just one afternoon. You can make yourself at home at your new place without hassle or stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sulphur moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.